Would you like to talk about such accomplishments, some accomplishment in the past years that you have achieved and you're really proud of?
Uh, I run a successful YouTube channel, and that is called iconicindra, and I I am able to pay my fees, my semester fees, my admission fees by YouTube earning. So this is a huge achievement for me.
This is so cool. Oh my God, you must be really proud of yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
How are you? How have you been?
I'm well, and you?
I'm good. How was your day?
The day is quite well.
Okay. And since today's our first session, I thought I might introduce myself. Hi, my
Yeah.
name is Kanishka. I am a student. I'm 19 years old. I am currently studying in the third year of my graduation and I'm studying marketing.
Oh wow.
And I really like teaching and meeting new people. So here I am on
Great.
Clapingo. Could you please introduce yourself and then
Yeah,
tell me the
sure,
reason
sure.
you
It is a first interaction with you, and I am also a student, and I am in fourth year in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and so this I have to go this year to complete graduation degree, and I want to do a decent job in my fields.
Okay, that's pretty great. Can you please tell me the reason why you joined Clapingo?
Yeah, I want to improve my fluency as well as I want to improve my pronunciation. Sometimes I get stuck while speaking in English, so I want to fix those issues.
Okay. How long have you been on Clapingo?
I have been using this Clapingo application over 2 months, and also I took a break, then I rejoined.
Okay. Do you see a change in yourself from the first day
Yeah,
versus?
sure. I see that I nowadays I get less stuck in between speaking and thinking, and also I gain so much confidence to express my thoughts in English. That is a great achievement using Clapingo. After using Clapingo.
Okay, that's great. Also, I would just like to give you a heads up. I'll just keep myself on mute every time you talk because there's some echoing problem in my laptop, and I don't want you to get confused or distracted if you talk.
Okay.
Okay, so the session document today is about accomplishments. Have you prepared something for it, or you would like to talk about something else?
Yeah, I would like to talk about this topic.
Okay, so when I say accomplishments, what is the first thing that comes in your mind?
Mm, Something I achieved that which is really uh, I was wanting to achieve that thing by hard work, by my work.
Okay, would you like to talk about such accomplishments, some accomplishment in the past years that you have achieved and you're really proud of?
Uh, I I accomplished. I run a successful YouTube channel, and that is called iconicindra, and I I am able to pay my fees, my semester fees, my admission fees by YouTube earning. So this is a huge achievement for me.
This is so cool. Oh my God, you must be really proud of yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, can you talk about your YouTube journey a little? How did you reach this accomplishment?
Yeah, I started this YouTube channel last year during lockdown, and whatever I learned, I just share on my YouTube channel, and I use such platforms because some people cannot afford those platforms, so they tend to watch my videos, and that's why I my all the criteria for on for monetization on YouTube channel I completed, and then I started earning. And actually I started this because I was so introvert, and then my family used to say that you have to be extrovert, you have to be fluent in the English language, particularly to crack all the interviews, and also because I am in engineering studies, so I need to improve my pronunciation skill and also communication skill, to develop myself, to develop my skill. So that's why I joined Clapingo, and also I started my YouTube channel.
Okay, can you share with me a first story that you had, like the first subscriber or the first like that you had gotten on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, those were really amazing to me, and I feel so blessed because there are a lot of people who are waiting for me, and also who really learning, and also who are really, what I say, I have no word to say right now, but when I gain the first like, first subscriber, I feel so blessed that how it was crazy that I gain one like, I gain 50 like, and also I gain subscribers when I thought that even a day I two or three subscribers are were increased. So I am just overwhelmed. I was overwhelmed on that time.
Okay, and do you remember the YouTube video at that time that got the maximum views?
Yes, 100 views are on that time. I get each and every video 100 views, sometimes 200 views. So those views are really precious. Those views are really precious, and also I love those moments also.
Okay, that's really nice. That was like one of your greatest accomplishments. Any small accomplishments that you've ever, achieved in life other than this big accomplishment of your YouTube channel?
Small achievement. I got a lottery 2 years ago. I got a lottery that the amount is very less, but I got the lottery, so it is uh, an accomplishment by luck, I can say.
Okay, can you please talk about this lottery that you got if you're okay with it?
Yeah, I in the fair I just picked a lottery in the fair, in my nearby fair, and I thought that because I was not, I am not so well in my luck, and also my luck is really bad. So my friends forced me pick to pick a lottery. Then I picked, and somehow I got 1,000 rupees on that time 2 years ago, and I feel I could not believe myself that I got that lottery, and I pinched myself many times. Then I realized that yeah, I got a lottery, but without my permission of my family, the permission of family, I I bought that lottery. So I was so scary as well as I was so happy at the same time. But
Okay,
when I
when I yes, yes, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
yeah, and when I told all the story about getting this lottery to my family members, and they they paused for a while, then they expressed their happiness. So it was so nice experience.
Okay, okay, that's great. The question I would like to ask you is, a lot of people get really jealous of people who accomplish great things in their life. And, they always wait for an opportunity to, pull them down or, just look for a loophole. So, what is your take on that?
Mm, we- I rarely receive such jealousy from my neighbors, but I received a couple of comments on my YouTube channel that they said that I am not perfect in English. Why I started this YouTube channel? I have to close this channel. So I thought that sometimes it really hurts me, but I realized that there are a lot of people who are not able to achieve such platform to those are not able to achieve this goal. That's why they are jealousy. So I feel that, and now I think that whatever the more they will burn, the more I will earn.
Okay, very, very well said. Okay, what is your future goal for this accomplishment that you have achieved? What is your future goal? What have you set something that 5 years from now I want this to be my goal?
Yeah, truly speaking, that I want to get wider audience on my YouTube channel, as well as I want to continue my, and I want to get a decent job in my field. So along with, besides my job, I want to continue my YouTube channel, and also I want to get a wider audience. And there there are a lot of loyal subscribers and who always support me. So I feel blessed.
Okay, just this is an hypothetical question. If you grow ahead in the future and you have to choose between your job and your YouTube channel for security reason
Oh
and
my
from your
god.
family's perspective, what are you gonna choose?
Mm, to be honest, YouTube, I think that YouTube is a side hustle all the time, and also it is a part-time job, and you have to be consistent to grow your YouTube channel. But YouTube, yeah, sometimes it may down, it may decrease, the earning may decrease, and sometimes it may increase. So I have to depend on the main source, that that is my job. Then I can continue my YouTube as well.
Okay, that's very well said. And any advice you would like to give to the young YouTubers right now that are, coming up and trying to accomplish things that, probably you've already achieved?
Uh, and to be honest, that in that position, I need some motivation. I need some what I say. I need some motivation to get more audience because my YouTube channel is too small. But uh, in 2021, there are a lot of competition. So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have to provide your best video to add some values to the audience or to entertain them. Then you can probably, you you are probably to the way of going of your YouTube channel.
Okay, so we do not have much time left on us. So I quickly want to
Oh,
correct two of your mistakes that
yeah, yeah, sure.
I recognize. Okay, can you please say complete with me?
What is the word?
Complete.
Complete.
Okay, it's not complete, it's complete.
Okay, complete. Oh,
Okay, and it is not conversation, it's conversation.